Warm colors can either clash or come together in something powerful. Let's see what happens when red, orange, green, and black share the same space. Welcome to the Art of Yayomi. Today I'll be working on a 10 by 20 inch canvas using a warm palette built around red, orange, green, and black. I wanted this piece to feel alive from the very beginning. I began by placing puddles of red, orange, green, and black across the canvas. I was intentional about where each color rested, allowing space between them so they would not immediately overwhelm one another. Giving each tone room to breathe helps the composition feel balanced from the start. At this stage, I was not forcing movement. I was simply setting the foundation and allowing the colors to exist on their own before guiding them further. After allowing the paint to settle for a moment, I used a wooden skewer. I gently drew through the surface to introduce movement between the layers. This step connected the colors, encouraging them to interact and turning isolated puddles into a developing composition. Tilting a canvas changes the rhythm of the painting. It guides the eye horizontally and allows the composition to unfold gradually. Gravity becomes part of the design, pulling color into natural transitions that would be difficult to achieve by force. This color combination feels festive in a different way. The reddish orange, olive green, orange, and black together carry that familiar warmth we often associate with fall. The red brings energy, the orange adds vibrancy, and the olive green grounds everything with an earthy tone. Even the black gives it a strong traditional edge. It has that seasonal feeling, but I don't think these colors should be limited to autumn. They can work beautifully in the winter as well, especially when you lean into their richness and contrast. Sometimes tradition isn't about the season, it's about how the colors make you feel. I stepped back and noticed that part of the canvas still felt too open. The movement was there, but the surface needed more presence. So I returned with additional puddles of paint, placing them carefully in the areas that felt unfinished. Then I lifted the canvas again and began tilting it slowly and deliberately. I moved it forward and side to side, allowing gravity to stretch the paint naturally across the surface. Tilting softens hard edges and blend transitions in a way that feel organic. As the colors elongated and shifted, the composition began to unify. What started as separate placements gradually transformed into one cohesive flow. Remember to cover the edges to give the painting a clean, intentional look and ensure that the movement flows continuously across the entire surface. This is where everything came together. The warmth no longer felt chaotic, it felt unified. The colors supported one another, creating a bold but balanced composition across the canvas. Sometimes colors like orange and red can appear very similar once they begin to blend and move across a canvas. I may have misspoken earlier. The dominant tone here is actually reddish orange, not red. When the paint started to stretch and interact with the other colors, the warm Reddish orange really took control of the composition. It carried the energy of this piece and blended smoothly into the surrounding tones. As I guided the wooden skewer across the surface, the lines added structure and character, turning the movement into an abstract design with direction and intention. The reddish orange didn't overpower the painting, it shaped it. If you enjoyed watching this process, don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember to stay creative and keep painting your life with the colors that inspire you.